Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and open up Messenger. As you can see here, we have Meta AI at the bottom right and Ask Meta AI at the top. Now, I would like for you to know that there is no official way to turn these off, okay? But you can at least mute it, okay? So how do we do that? How do we mute? So go ahead and tap on the circular Meta AI button. Tap on it. Continue. Tap on the information icon. Now tap on mute. Okay? Tap on it and tap on until I change it. So it's going to be muted forever. Hit on OK. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and go back. And if you have a chat with Meta AI right here, you can tap and hold and delete it. Delete, and once done, you should be good to go. And there you have it. That is how you turn off Meta AI on Facebook. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.